Cardano value equivalent to 6.7203 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.56537.0487. The earlier day close, 6.8957. The change was 0.1754, 2.54%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 7.12 rands, high 7.62, low 6.62. Cardano figure on Monday. April, 3, cost 7.50 rands, high 8.03, low 6.98. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 7.35 rands, high 7.86, low 6.84. Cardano gauge on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 7.47 rands, high 7.99, low 6.95. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost 7.25 rands, high 7.76, low 6.74. Cardano gauge on Friday. April, 7, cost 6.88 rands, high 7.36, low 6.40. Cardano cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, cost 7.13 rands, high 7.63, low 6.63. Cardano gauge on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 6.94 rands, high 7.43, low 6.45. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 7.75 rands, high 8.29, low 7.21. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Thursday. April, 13, cost 7.46 rands, high 7.98, low 6.94. Cardano cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost 7.76 rands, high 8.30, low 7.22. Cardano gauge on Monday. April, 17, cost 7.46 rands, high 7.98, low 6.94. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 7.97 rands, high 8.53, low 7.41. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday. April, 19, cost 7.88 rands, high 8.43, low 7.33. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. April, 20, cost 7.42 rands, high 7.94, low 6.90. Cardano conjecture on Friday. April, 21, cost 7.40 rands, high 7.92, low 6.88. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April, 24, cost 7.85 rands, high 8.40, low 7.30. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday. April, 25, cost 8.59 rands, high 9.19, low 7.99. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 26, cost 8.22 rands, high 8.80, low 7.64. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Thursday. April, 27, cost 8.58 rands, high 9.18, low 7.98. Cardano cost expectation on Friday. April, 28, cost 8.18 rands, high 8.75, low 7.61. Cardano conjecture on Monday. May 1, cost 7.77 rands, high 8.31, low 7.23. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for walk 2023. First and foremost cost at 6.42 rands, exorbitant cost 7.62, while low cost 5.50. The found the middle value of cost 6.67. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.12, change for spring 10.9%. Cardano estimate for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.12 rands, exorbitant cost 9.19, while low cost 6.40. The found the middle value of cost 7.72. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8.18, change for April 14.9%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2023. To start with cost at 8.18 rands, exorbitant cost 8.34, while low cost 7.17. The found the middle value of cost 7.87. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.78, change for May 4.9%. Cardano estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.78 rands, exorbitant cost 9.65, while low cost 7.78. The found the middle value of cost 8.56. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 9.02, change for June 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 9.02 rands, exorbitant cost 9.02, while low cost 7.05. The found the middle value of cost 8.17. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7.58. Change for July 16.0%. Cardano figure for August 2023. Initially cost at 7.58 rands. Excessive cost 7.58, while low cost 5.92. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.86. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.37. Change for August 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at 6.37 rands. Excessive cost 6.42, while low cost 5.58. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.09. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.00. Change for September 5.8%. Cardano conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 6.00 rands. Excessive cost 6.64, while low cost 5.78. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.16. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.21. Change for October 3.5%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 6.21 rands. Excessive cost 6.21, while low cost 5.14. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.77. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.53. Change for November 11.0%. Cardano figure for December 2023. Before all else cost at 5.53 rands. Excessive cost 6.78, while low cost 5.53. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.05. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.34. Change for December 14.6%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 6.34 rands. Excessive cost 6.34, while low cost 4.96. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.74. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.33. Change for January 15.9%. Cardano estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 5.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.33, while low cost 4.17. They found the middle value of cost 4.83. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.48. Change for February 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 4.48 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.48, while low cost 3.50. They found the middle value of cost 4.06. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.76. Change for spring 16.1%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1488 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1419-0.1523. The earlier days nearby 0.1450. Change for now plus 0.0038 plus 2.62%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation